Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the important OOPS concept, explain the encapsulation principle. The OOPS concepts including inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. So one of the main concept in OOPS concept is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a process of binding or wrapping the data and the codes that operates on the data into a single entity. This keeps the data safe from outside interface and misuse. One way to think about encapsulation is a protective wrapper that prevents code and data from being arbitrarily accessed by other code defined outside the wrapper. For example, I have a class called encapsulation demo, and I have a variable called account balance. So this is the right way to have an instance variable in your class. If you mark this public, that is really dangerous because anyone can access this variable directly and set the value. So you should always encapsulate a particular code, particular variable. Okay, that means it's up to this class, whoever is writing this developer and whoever is written this code is responsible for reading the value and setting the value. No one should access the variable directly. That's where we are encapsulating it. You call me and I will do whatever I want. For example, it's up to the application logic to read the data from database, file, or remote server. This will help not to break the contract. For example, get account balance. Now say the third party is calling this method. They don't even know how they are preparing this data and where they are getting this data. No way they can find out it. So get account balance is like an API. Anyone can call it and get the account balance. They can't access it and they can't manipulate it. So it's like protecting your data within your application. So even if you change, for example, after 6 months they are saying I don't want to read from a file, I want to read from database. Okay, without breaking the API, without breaking the contract, still we can have some code which will read from the database. So it does not break the code and it will protect the data. Say for example, if you mark this public and someone has accessed directly and set it to 0, that is really dangerous to set account balance as 0, and really it's a security issue. So that's why we need encapsulation, protecting your data methods and preventing your contracts. It's a very big topic. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you.